gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Panahon na ng pagbabago, dahil sa ito ay
Please remain standing for the invocation, which shall be led by the Executive Director of the Bangsamoro Darul Ifta, Sheikh Marhan Burhan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa qala rabbukum ud'uni astajib lakum. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anna. Allahumma ighfir lana dhunubana kullaha wa dikkaha wa jillaha awwalaha wa akhiraha alaniyataha wa sirraha wa tub alaina innaka antat tawwabur rahim. Allahumma waffiq qadatana wa ulata umurina lima tuhibbuhu wa tarda ya arhamar rahimin. Allahumma hdihim lil adl wal hikmati was salah waj'alhum khairan sababan bi khairil biladi wal ibad. Allahumma adim alaina ni'matal amni was salam wahfad alaina wahfad biladana minal fitan ma dhahara minha wa ma batan. وانشر سكينة وطمأنينة في قلوب عبادك يا أرحم الراحمين واجعل بلادنا بلاد أمن واستقرار يا أرحم الراحمين إنك أنت على كل شيء قدير. اللهم أنت السلام ومنك السلام وإليك يرجع السلام فأحينا بالسلام وأدخلنا جنتك دار السلام يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم اجعلنا في هذه الليلة من المقبولين واكتب لنا فيها الرحمة والمغفرة ويتق من النار يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم تقبل منا صيامنا وقيامنا واغفر لنا ذنوبنا كلها سرها وعلانيتها يا أرحم الراحمين. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. We may now be seated. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Good afternoon and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are gathered here today for the Grand Iftar 2026. This gathering affirms the shared values of faith, unity, and compassion that defines the holy month of Ramadan. It is time commitments that together in a reflection of gratitude and solidarity. To formally begin our program, may we call on the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Chief Minister Abdul Rauf A. Magakua for his opening remarks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, the other guests in this afternoon affair, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and good afternoon. It is my honor to warmly welcome you to this Malacanang warm Grand Iftar. We appreciate your presence as we came together for this significant occasion during Ramadan. We gather not only as leaders and partners, but also as individuals in a shared moment of reflection that Ramadan brings to every Muslim home. Ramadan is a time when we pause, reflect, and return to what truly matters. Fasting reminds us of humility, It is remind us that leadership must accompanied by discipline, patience, and sincere care for the people we serve. Gathering like this may seem simple, but they carry meanings. When leadership together, national leaders, Bangsamoro leaders, and partners peace, we strengthen trust. And in the Bangsamoro, trust has always been the foundation of progress. This gathering carries a special meaning for us. It is the grand iftar we share during the Bangsamoro transition period, reminding us how far the Bangsamoro people journey has come and why we must continue moving forward together. Malaki ang halaga ng pagkakaisang ito sapagkat kapag nagtutulungan ang pambansang pamahalaan at ang pambansang Bangsamoro, mas nagiging matatag ang landas natin tungo sa mas matatag na Bangsamoro. Allow me to express our sincere gratitude to His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Morris Marcos for his continued support for the Bangsamoro peace process and to strengthen the partnership between national government and the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. We are grateful to our partners in the national government, especially the senators and the congressmen who supported the measures that allows the Bangsamoro Transition Authority to continue serving as the interim government until the new elected officials assume office on November 30, 2026, ensuring that the coming Bangsamoro election will be a peaceful and credible. Inside the Bangsamoro government, the cooperation between the executive and the Bangsamoro Parliament remains essential. I also recognize the dedication and hard work of our ministers and members of the Bangsamoro Parliament whose continued efforts help advance development and progress in the region as we work together para sa mas matatag na Bangsamoro. As we prepare to break our past, may it renew our shared commitment to peace, to cooperation, and to a stronger Bangsamoro. Hindi po ito matatapos kung hindi mabanggit ang pasasalamat kay Pangulong Presidente na siya mismo ang nag-offer sa atin na gamitin ito para sa grand iftar ng Bangsamoro at saka Malacanang. And in fact, during our exchanges in message, sinabi na maghanap tayo sa labas ng hotel, kami mismo. Pero at the end of the day, sinabi rin na the best option is Malacanang ang gagawin ng grand iftar. With that, Mr. President, we are very thankful to you and the Bangsamoro people. May the unity we share at this table tonight continue to guide our leadership even beyond Ramadan. Sa ating pagkakaisa at pagtutulungan para sa mas matatag na Bangsamoro. Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. Mabuhay ang Presidente, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Bangsamoro, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Chief Minister Makakuwa. And now, may we call on